At the end of the summer, after working on a collection from start to finish, I decided the work table I had in my studio was no longer working for me. It wasn't sturdy enough to work with clay, and it just didn't fit the space. I asked my partner if he would build me one better suited for a pottery studio. Luckily, he's a carpenter. I am blessed as a potter, I know. I had my eyes set on a table design I had come across a while ago. The work table we built is a modified version of Italian designer Enzo Mari's Autoprogettazione. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. It's simple, minimalistic, easy for anyone to build, but I find it holds so much beauty in its utilitarian design. There are a few small things that we've modified from the original design. For instance, the boards are thicker than the original design for extra sturdiness. And we decided to go with gold screws because we felt like that fit the tone of the wood better. We finished the table base with unwaxed shellac, which gives it a very natural and quick drying finish with minimal odor. The tabletop is unfinished Baltic birch plywood, which is ideal for working with clay. The table is also extra tall so that it's a comfortable height for wedging clay, for working standing at the table. We decided to leave the tabletop raw without any coating of shellac or anything. We just gave it a quick sanding. This way, when I'm working with clay, it won't stick to the surface. I feel immensely grateful to have such a beautiful piece in the studio, and I am beyond excited to start working on it. I have to be honest, I've been putting off putting any signage on the door, but I felt like the time was right to give the studio a name, and this is the process of how it happened.
I kind of traced the letters as I was standing in front of the door to kind of get an idea of height. I shared some photos on Instagram and you guys said that this was all right, but could be a little bigger, so I am taking that into account. I did also have you guys vote on legibility, and most of you guys said it was all right. However, the I looks a bit more like a J. And personally, I'm not a fan of this R. The Y as well, I think needs to be a little more slanted this way. So this is a first try at a different I letter as well as an R. And this is the second go. I know that on the up motion, the lines are thinner, and when it comes down, it's thicker. So this is up and then down thicker. Same here, up is thin, down is thick. So yeah, this is, I think, what we're gonna go for. I think what we're gonna do is decide on the height, and then I'll paint from the inside. Because you have to paint on the other side of the door.
Okay, that's very smart.
Yeah.
So when it rains and stuff, it doesn't get on it.
Exactly. Okay, let's just do this.
Okay.
Let's see, is it too high?
That looks good.
This is where your hand is. Maybe a little.
I think that looks really good.
Yeah, really? Wait, actually, oh wow, that's perfect. No, I'm excited. Oh yeah, we're spot on.
I think it's gonna look so good.
Yeah? At first I thought I was gonna do gold, and then I decided...
What are you gonna do in the end? White. I think white is good.
Let's get a look from...
Outside.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah?
I think it's good.
Yeah?
Or I think it depends if you want people to see inside
Right.
instantly, then maybe then you be lower. But
Yeah.
if you want to have some kind of mystery,
Yeah, yeah.
then this is good.
To finish things off, I have this piece of fabric. It's Rami fiber. It's kind of like pretty thickly woven. I think it'll give a nice touch to the door of something that's kind of rustic-y, handmade. It'll also enable people to read the sign on the door better and give myself a little bit more privacy when I'm working in the studio. So I'm gonna put this up on the door and see how it looks.